Hello my friends, welcome to solve this math problem, which is 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of 2x plus 7 to the power of 3x is equals to 14. To find the value of x, which is x is element of real number. In the first step, as you know, if we have a to the power of m times n, this is equals to a to the power of m to the power of n, or a to the power of n to the power of m. So, in here, we have 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of 2x, and we can write this from this formula as 7 to the power of x to the power of 2. And in here, we can write 7 to the power of x to the power of 3 is equals to 14. And in next step, we let 7 to the power of x as t. So, substitute in this equation and it will be t plus t square and plus t cube is equals to 14. And in next step, we take this 14 to this side, so it will be, in here we have t cube plus t square and plus t minus 14 is equals to 0. And in next step, we write t cube plus t square plus t, and minus, in here we can write negative 14 as negative 8 minus 4 and minus 2, right, is equals to 0. So, in next step, we take t cube and negative 8 together, so we write t cube minus 8 and plus, in here, t square and negative 4 together, t square minus 4 and t and negative 2 together, so it will be t minus 2 is equals to 0. And in next step, we write t cube minus 8, we can write 8 as 2 to the power of 3, and plus t square minus 4, we write 4 as 2 to the power of 2, and plus t minus 2 is equals to 0. And in here, we can write this as, this is in the form of x cube minus y cube, and we can write this as x minus y times x square plus xy plus y square, right? Also, this is in the form of x square minus y square, which is, it will be x minus y times x plus y. So, in here, from this formula, we can write this as t minus 2 times t square plus 2t and plus 2 squared, it will be 4. And in here, from this formula, we can write t minus 2 times t plus 2, right? And here we have t minus 2 and plus t minus 2 is equals to 0. So, in next step, t minus 2 is common, so we factor t minus 2. And in here, this divided by t minus 2, it will be t square plus 2t plus 4. And here, this divided by t minus 2, it will be t plus 2, so we have t plus 2. And this divided by t minus 2, it will be 1 is equals to 0. And it will be t minus 2 times t square. In here, 2t plus t, it will be 3t. And 4 plus 2 plus 1, it will be 7 is equals to 0. So in here we have two solutions for t. T minus 2 is equals to 0, and from here t is equals to 2, or t squared plus 3t plus 7 is equals to 0. So in here we have quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is t is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of t squared is 1, b is coefficient of t is 3, and c is constant is 7. And it will be t is equals to negative b, negative 3, plus or minus square root of b squared, it will be 3 squared is 9, and minus 4ac, 4 times a is 1, and c is 7, and over 2a is 2, and it will be t is equals to negative 3 plus or minus square root of, in here 4 times 1 is 4, and times 7 it will be 28, and 9 minus 28 it will be negative 19, and over 2, and in here it will be negative 3 plus or minus square root of 19i over 2. So we want the real numbers, so in here this is imaginary, so we reject this answer and we continue. By t is equals to 2. So in next step we recall this 7 to power of x is equals to t. So we write in here 7 to power of x is equals to t, and t is equals to 2. So from here it will be 7 to power of x is equals to t, and t is 2. So in next step, to find the value of x, we apply log to both sides of the equation. So it will be log of 7 to power of x is equals to log of 2. And in next step, from log rules, if we have log of a to power of b, this is equals to b times log of a. So in here, we can take this power outside of log, so it will be b times log a. So in here we take this x outside of log, and it will be x times log 7 is equals to log 2. And in next step we divide both sides of the equation by log 7. So this divided by log 7, and this divided by log 7. And in here this will cancel this, and we have x is equals to log 2 over log 7. And in here from log rules, if we have log of a over log of b, this is equals to log a to base b. So in here we can write this as x is equals to log 2 over log 7. From this formula it will be log 2 to base 7, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.